Hi! In front of me is REALME Narzo 60 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off automatic text correction. Start by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access additional settings. Following that, click on Keyboard and Input Method. Select Manage Keyboards and Gboard. Now just click on Text Correction. Following that, scroll down and tap on this switcher next to Autocorrection. This way you'll switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!